Do you like shopping, Brooklyn?
Oh,
Are the clothes pretty?
which one? You want that one?
Pretty clothes?
Ooh. Ooh. Is that what one you like?
Which style do you like? Are those pretty?
No, you're deciding.
You like polka dots?
We're going to have to stop Oh. 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 Look at this. Oh, what's this?
Mom, leave her alone.
Well,
Hi, good. I just want to leave that. Okay, thank you so much.
Brooklyn, which outfit would you like to wear?
and then she decided.
Which one did you pick out? Can you tell us about your selection? Oh, you want that one? Say bye-bye.